How to fix the camera application not working on Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can fix if the camera app is not working on your Android. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first thing first, what you want to do is, sometimes what happens is that your camera could basically say, unfortunately the camera has actually stopped working and you're simply not being able to use the default camera app on your Android phone. Now there could be multiple reasons for it. First of all, we will simply check the software wise issue. So what we will do is we will go ahead and then open up settings. Once you open up settings, you scroll down and look for the option called apps. Tap on apps and here you want to simply look for camera. So go ahead and select camera as you find it. Tap on it. As you tap on camera, go ahead and select storage, and over here tap on clear cache and then tap on the clear data button. As soon as you tap on clear cache and clear data, you can see all of the other options. Now what we will do is we will try to relaunch the camera app and see if our issue has been fixed. Just try to see if it fixes the issue. That's perfectly fine. If not, then we're moving on to the second solution. And you might also as well want to try to force stop it and then try to actually open it up again. If that doesn't help, what we will do is it could likely be a software bug. So we'll check until the manufacturers have actually rolled out an update. Scroll down and open settings and select software update. Tap on download and install. If you see update, some kind of update available for your phone, you have to actually update it to the latest version. So go ahead and simply download or update the mobile's firmware to the latest version, and hopefully this would fix your issue. Hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.